Beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is savannahladell if you're new. If you're returning, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this prom makeup tutorial specifically for my black women. I just thought that this would be a good one for my young girls that are still in high school that may be going to prom, looking for some inspiration. So this can give you guys a good idea of some looks and colors and products that would probably work for you. Now this doesn't exclude anyone. Obviously anyone can follow this makeup tutorial. I have on this red tank top. I guess, you know, if you have a red dress, this makeup will look good with it because I feel like this combo is not actually bad, like the colors. So if you have like a red dress, black dress, gold, this look can actually kind of go with anything really. If you're new and you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And at the end, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because I will keep talking and talking and talking and talking. Like, let's just get into the tutorial. So first thing I'm gonna do is use this Sasha Buttercup powder with my Real Technique sponge. And I'm going to place the powder underneath my eye to catch any fallout. And it's just going to make it easier to dust it off at the end. Next, I'm going in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I'm just priming my eyelids. That way the eyeshadow sticks on and does not crease and last all day. Or all night in this case. And I would suggest that you blend it out really quickly because it can dry up, which it kind of did on me. So I feel like it made my shadows not blend as well, which, you know, kind of defeats the whole purpose. So with this product, you really gotta blend in pretty quick. Next, I'm going into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette with that shade Sienna. And I end up not liking how it's blending. It just like would not blend well for me for whatever reason. Then I dip into Burnt Orange and I decide to use it as a transition shade, and it just kind of helps everything blend a lot better. Okay, next we're going back into Sienna. And now I'm just gonna take my time and build that color up. I just want it to be shown in my crease and on the outer part of my eye. So I really just took a few minutes and just built this color up. Because we're gonna be doing a cut crease too, so I really wanna make sure the shade's gonna show. Now I'm going into Mulberry. And I'm just going to put that on the outer part of my eye, the outer V. That's where I'm focusing that color, and that's just going to add some dimension to the look. Next, I'm going into this black shade called Neewer, and I'm putting this also on the outer part of my eye. More on the bottom, just to create a little smoky look and also add dimension. Sorry guys if I sound weird, I just woke up. I'm refilming this voiceover for like the second time. Now we're gonna go cut the crease with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Medium, and I'm just using a angled brush. I don't really have the best brush yet, but I've ordered one, so no worries. And I'm not going all the way. I'm kind of doing like, I'm stopping basically at the smoky part because I still want that to show. And now I'm just filling it in. And with cut creases, you really just got to take your time. Just be patient. Now I'm just kind of perfecting the cut crease with that angled brush again. Next, I'm going in with Dusty Rose, and I'm going to put that part where we did the cut crease to add some color before we go in with the glitter. Now I'm just kind of perfecting everything. I felt like the smoky part was not showing as much, so I just wanted to amp it up. Now we're going in with the glitter. This is a NYX glitter pigment, and I do suggest using glitter glue. I lost the clip where I did that because when I was adding it, it wasn't even showing up. And here I'm just perfecting the cut crease. So I took that sienna shade and just kind of drew a line between that and the where I cut the crease basically. Next, I'm using some Neutrogena wipes to remove the powder and all the glitter that fell on my face. And I'm so sorry y'all that I lost that clip, but it's literally just me using a glitter glue and me laying the glitter down on the cut crease part. Now, time to prep the face. I'm using the Clinique Smart Moisturizer. I really love this one. It has SPF in it too. I look kind of greasy there. And now I am color correcting with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going underneath my eyes because I have the worst dark circles. Also taking it around my mouth because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, which is really common in a lot of women of color. So if you have it, don't be ashamed. And I'm just blending it out with the Real Technique sponge. Now for foundation, I'm using the NARS Radiant something foundation. It's their newest one. I'll link everything down below. And I'm just pumping that on my face. I almost think this shade is starting to be a little bit too light for me since it's like now super hot in Texas. Because I noticed it was a little bit light on me, so this is probably like not my summer shade. But we make it work. Now I'm going to contour with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just carving out those cheekbones, giving us some giving our face some definition. And I take it on my forehead. I don't really have a big forehead. I have a big head, not a big forehead, but just to make it all tie in together. And then I also take it underneath. You don't have to do this. It's kind of scary doing it because you gotta make sure you blend it out really well. But my face is kind of chubby, you know, so, and I have like an almost double chin, but not quite, so we're just trying to cut that up. Minimize that. And now I'm just blending everything out. Really take your time with this. Like, for real, take your time with this. Make sure that neck is blended too. Now we're gonna conceal and highlight with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one is in the shade Deep, and I'm dragging it down my nose because that's gonna give me a natural, it's gonna give my nose a natural contour. Because I don't really like to do the most with my nose, so I just do that. I actually like my nose, but it could look a little bit more snatched, so yeah. Now I'm dragging it down the bridge of my nose really slow. And I like to hit my Cupid's bow and underneath my my bottom lip just to make my lips look a little bit more pouty. And I'm also dragging it right underneath that contour, and this is going to help clean the contour up and snatch the face even more. Now I'm blending it out. I just zoomed right through this. Alright, so now I'm going in with this Maybelline gel liner, and I'm using this Anastasia angled brush to do some wing liner. So I just kind of wanted to zoom through that because it's not that interesting. Next I'm going in with this Maybelline eyeliner. It's a blackest black eyeliner. And I went back into that black shade in the palette, Neewer, and I just stamp right over that, and this is just going to help the eyeliner stay in place. It's kind of like bulletproof eyeliner. Next I'm going into this Black Radiance powder, I think it's in the shade Cafe, and I just use it to add some color to my skin. We're going right into the blush, this e.l.f. blush, and that's going to add color. Just bring our face back to life, basically. Now it's time for the highlight. I'm using the Shayla ColourPop collection. It is in the shade Boomin', and I put it on my nose, on the tip of my nose, and obviously on my cheekbones. And I did put Boomin' on my lips. I also go into Neat Freak, which is also from the collection. And I felt like it needed some more definition, so I used this NYX suede lip pencil in vintage. And I'm just giving my lips some definition, basically. It just brought it together a lot more. And I just rub my lips to blend everything in. And that's it, guys. This is the look. I hope that this gives you some inspiration for your proms. And yeah, like slay prom, slay graduation, slay all these events that come up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.